Welcome back to NYSE TV Live. Joining me now is Lieutenant Junior Grade Michael Barth. Thanks so much for talking with us today.
Absolutely.
In addition to the Coast Guard, you also work for JP Morgan. This is very unusual in my opinion. Why did you choose to serve in addition to the career you're making on Wall Street? And how do you fit all this in time-wise?
Absolutely. So I would say service really is in my DNA. Both of my grandfathers were Army in World War II. Also, my grandmother served as an officer in World War II as well, and I had great uncles who served. So hearing their stories was really inspiring to me. And I wanted to serve in the Coast Guard given its heavy humanitarian emphasis as well as its law enforcement emphasis. And in terms of how I juggle it, I would say a lot of coffee.
That's a good way to do it. What would you say is the biggest challenge when it comes to juggling both of those roles?
Yeah, absolutely. I would say one of the biggest challenges is also something I find really rewarding, and it's in our motto, Semper Paratus, right? Always ready. You're always ready to go, whether it's to deploy. I was just the Francis Scott Key Bridge response. I deployed to Operation Vigilant Sentry last year. So being ready to pretty much leave a project, potentially leave things on the table, pass that off to the team, pretty much pack your sea bag and go is one of the difficulties, but again, something that I find extremely rewarding.
What advice do you have for other guardsmen who are looking to elevate their career both with and outside the U.S. Coast Guard?
I would say there's such a breadth of opportunity within the Coast Guard, so many collateral duties and education opportunities. So go take advantage of those opportunities, deploy when you can, take on roles that you might not think you'd be interested in to see what you might be interested in on the civilian side if you are looking to transition from active duty.
All right, well, thanks so much for your service and thanks for talking with us.
Thank you so much.